uninsured, underinsured. So this is the insurance that kicks in when the other person doesn't have any insurance, or when they don't have enough insurance. And when I say that they don't have any insurance, that can mean a lot of things. I saw this morning there was a hit and run or a stolen vehicle.
Yep.
So a stolen vehicle is going to be, they're not going to have any insurance because it was stolen.
Yeah.
Or if it's uninsured or a hit and run. Hit and run is an uninsured vehicle. Mm-hmm. And then the obvious example is when they don't have enough. So what happens is you get in an accident, and let's say you go to the ER by ambulance. That can cost more than the other person's insurance alone.
Wow.
So if you have underinsured motorist coverage, now that comes into play above and beyond that. And the thing about underinsured motorist coverage and uninsured, it covers so many things beyond that. So if you have kids, okay, uninsured motorist coverage covers you and any family members living in your house. So let's say your kids ride their bike or walk to school, and God forbid something happens in a crosswalk. They're covered.
Oh,
You're
wow.
covered as a pedestrian.
Wow.
You're covered as a cyclist. So if a lot of people are cyclists here in town, you better have underinsured motorist coverage. It all kicks in. If you're in somebody else's car, if you're out of state, riding in, your Aunt Mildred's car,
yeah.
You don't know what kind of coverage she has. At least you have coverage to protect yourself.